In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade stickers safely in Monopoly Go using the official community or trading forum. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device and go to the official Monopoly Go community page or a trusted trading forum connected to the game. Using the official or well-known community spaces is important because it helps reduce the risk of scams and makes it easier to find active players who are already familiar with the trading process. Before you continue, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct site and not a fake page. Once you're there, log in through the browser using your connected Facebook account or your Scopely account, depending on the one linked to your game. This step is important because your trading activity and account connection need to match your Monopoly Go profile. If you are not already signed in, follow the prompts carefully and allow the page to finish loading before moving on. A stable login session helps prevent issues later when you try to connect with another player. After logging in, look through the community or trading forum to find a verified trading partner. Try to choose someone who appears trustworthy, active, and properly recognized within that community. Verified traders are usually easier to work with because they have some level of credibility in the group. When you find a suitable partner, send them a message and request their Monopoly Go invite link. Be polite and clear about which sticker you want to trade, so both sides understand the plan from the beginning. When the other player sends their invite link, click on it in your browser. This should launch the appropriate connection process and either open the game or bind the friend connection to your Monopoly Go account. Give it a few seconds to complete and make sure the friend connection is successful before doing anything else. If the game takes a moment to respond, that's normal, so avoid clicking repeatedly. Before you complete the actual sticker trade in the game, go back to the browser chat and confirm all exchange details one more time. Make sure both players agree on which sticker is being sent, what is being received in return, and who is sending first if that has already been decided. Taking this extra moment to confirm everything helps avoid confusion and makes the trade smoother and safer. Once everything is clearly confirmed in the chat and the friend connection is active, you're ready to finish the trade in Monopoly Go with confidence.